I'm going to start. Okay, please wait. Hi, Sikha. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hi.
How are you?
Hello. Yeah, I'm very, very good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great.
Okay.
Thank you for asking me.
Yeah. So, what's the going?
Yeah, nothing. Just nowadays we are passing our time because we have no any special work.
Okay.
Yeah. So Sikha, now I can tell something about our this conversation because why we are talking here and what's the reason. Because I need to describe something about this conversation, and after that we can start our conversation about our topic, and that is a wonderful topic and very useful topic for everyone. Okay.
Yes.
So let
Yes.
me describe something about our conversation. So
Yes.
first of
Yes.
all, yeah. So first of all, I wanna tell to all my friends because now this is my second conversation with you, and I'm happy to see you again because today I'm really happy. And in this video, we will talk about what is real meaning of success. And according to my opinion, this is a good topic, and this is a very necessary and wonderful topic for everyone because everyone wants to get success,
Yes.
and
Yes. And
success is important and success is necessary for everyone because without success we can't manage our life on the right direction and on the right time. So
yes.
first of all, I want to suggest and I want to say to all my friends, because in this video, I will talk about real meaning of success. So according to my opinion, I will say something about real meaning of success, and you can also tell whatever you know and whatever is coming in your mind
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
this.
We can.
Yeah, you can describe. Okay. So now I am going to say to all my friends, because if you are new person on my channel, then you can also subscribe my channel and you can press the bell icon, and you can like, comment, share with your friends. And don't forget to watch this video till the end because you will learn many things from this video. Because in this video, we will talk about main thing and main thing about our life and about success. Okay. So now I'm going to introduce myself because I am Anil Kumar and I am from Bihar. And I'm also a student, but in this year I have completed my 12th class and nowadays I am totally free. So just I am doing practice English and I am doing work on my YouTube channel. And my hobby is to talk with our friends in English and do work on my YouTube channel. This is my hobby. And in my future, I want to become English professor. So these are all about myself. And now, Sikha, you can say something about yourself. And after that, we can start our topic.
Okay. Okay. So, as you know, I'm Sikha Singh and I'm from Uttar Pradesh and I did my graduation and post graduation. So, right now I'm a primary teacher.
Okay,
That
good.
is
You are
all
doing
about.
a good job. Okay. So now, Sikha, should we start our topic? Because this is right
Yes.
time to start our topic.
Yeah. We should start.
Okay. So, would you like to start first?
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
So, yeah, Sikha, you can tell me what is the real meaning of success?
okay. So I just thorough search about that,
Yeah, yeah,
and then I get what is the real success. So according to
yeah,
me, that is my own view for real success. Success is changed according to our stage of life. Just
yeah,
like
yes,
if we are child, we are in infancy stage, then our success goal is different. When we are adult stage, then our success goal is different. And we are when we are growing up, then our success goal is different. So how can we achieve it, and how can we go in a right pathway? So that is the point for success. So let me give you one example, such like
yeah,
in our childhood, what is our success? So that time the success is that if we are crawling, so we think, oh, if I'm able to walking and I'm
Yes.
just like to other person and I able to talking. So this is that time of success.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
when
yes.
we grew up and when we grew up and when we are in adulthood, then I thought, oh, I also want to just like my parents or just like other our neighbors or our society, whatever we saw, and we attract many peoples. And that time we means we set our different goals, that what we want to become, what we want to become after that. So this is that time of success. And our teenage age, we think if we are in high school and inter, that time the success is different, because
Yes,
that
yes,
time
yes. Right.
we think, yeah, if we got 90%, 98% marks in our high school, then this is my success. And after inter means what is, how get I'm in my means inter exam, so this is also success. And then slowly we going to our adult stage, and then we decide our path, that what we want to become. So the through one line, I want to define that success achieved through the different many failures. Means we fails many times, then we achieve
Yes.
success.
Yeah. By failure, we can get many things.
Yeah. Because we saw we very easily saw our past, and then we think that what we should do that time. We do
What should we
many,
do?
yeah, many I hope that type activity which don't need, but we do. That is our failure, but we learn to failure and get success slowly. So
Yeah.
in
Failure, yeah. Failure is our part of life, and we can learn many things from failure. If you
yes,
fail
yes,
in your life, yeah. If you fail in your life, then it's not your mistake. But if
no,
you are not learning anything from failure, so this is your mistake.
this is mistake, right.
Because yeah,
Because
because I
we
have,
should
yeah,
learn from our failure.
yes, I have also made a lot of mistakes in my life because
Yeah,
when I was, yeah,
not
when I
you,
was a student,
everyone made the different mistakes,
yes,
and then they stand.
yeah,
So
yeah,
that,
yeah, everyone makes like many mistakes in their life, but especially I want to describe about my life, whatever I have done in my life. So when I was a student of ninth class, 10th class, so that time I did too much bad work because I can't explain that work because that was not good for me, because that time I gave up my study because that time I went to Delhi for visiting and for working. But that time my brother sent me again to Bihar. You have to study and you have to do something in your life. And so I have done many things in my life. So yeah, but according to my opinion, I should come on our point because our point is that what is the real meaning of success. So now I wanna describe something about what is the real meaning of success. So once time I was watching one video on Facebook, and that video was related to what is real meaning of success. So but that video was present in Hindi, but now I want to convert. Now I want to translate those Hindi
yes,
sentence into English. Okay, and you can
yes,
understand easily. Okay, so the real meaning of success is that whatever you wanted to get in your past. Okay, so did you get now or not? Have you got that position or not? Have you got that things or not? Like if you want, yeah, if you wanted to be a doctor, like I am a student, you are a student. So if you
yes,
wanted to be a doctor, so now have you got the position of doctor in your life or not? So
yes,
this is called real success because in my life I want to become English professor. So if I
yes,
will not get, yeah, if I will not get job of English professor, if I will not become English professor, and instead of becoming English professor, if I will become like any engineer, like anything, like doctor or anything, so that will be not my real success. But real
yes,
success is that, yeah, real success is that when you thought in your mind, because what was your goal,
yes,
what were you wanted to be, yes, what you wanted to be in your life, so that is called real success. So yeah, according to my opinion, because so if
Yes,
any
yes,
boy is thinking, yeah, if any boy is thinking,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah,
I want to include that. Means
yeah, yeah, yes, go ahead, speak. Hello,
hello.
Sika.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Hello.
yes, yeah, yeah, I'm listening. You speak.
Okay, okay, okay. So I want to say that yes, real success comes with happiness. Means
Yes, yes,
whatever we do and we are happy with that, then we are
yes, yes, you are
really
also right.
success. So
Yeah, you are also right.
many times, we done these type of work in which we are not so interested, but we are doing some many, compulsion. So that is not our real success.
Yes, yes,
So
you are right. Because without
yeah,
happiness, life is nothing. Without happiness, life is nothing.
we said that in one line, just like happiness is a real means real success is a realization. जब हम realize कर रहे हैं, that time
Yes,
is
yes,
real.
yes, yes.
So
And yeah, and many person they think I am earning too much in my I am earning too much money in my life. So this is called real success. So do you like this?
no, that was not real success.
So what was real success? Can you explain?
Yes,
Is money,
because
is money related to real success or not?
no, I don't say that money is not important. Yes, money important in our life, in every person life, but we should balance our life with money
Yes,
and happiness. Then we are really success. Because if you are very wealthy person, you have everything, and that is okay. But you are not healthy. Then you are happy, not happy. So this is
yes,
not real success for you. You have everything and many servant in your house, and you are very means very wealthy person. Different people comes to meet you, but you are not able to go anywhere, and you are just lie down every time in your bed because of you are not healthy. So that is also not real success.
like
Means
you are person.
yes, health is also included in your success. So
Health
we
is
need
wealth.
to balance our life.
Yes, yes. Yeah, health is wealth because without health, nothing is
Yes,
available in the world and nothing is
exactly,
present in the world.
exactly, that is right.
Yeah, because
So
because whenever we feel unhealthy, like whenever we are not feeling good, so that time even you have too much money, even everything is available with you, but that time we don't like anything. We don't like
no,
to eat anything. We don't like to see anything.
no,
And
really,
yes, and that time we also don't like to enjoy anything. Like if there is party happening, yeah, if anyone is enjoying like party, if anyone is dancing, and that time you have no good health. That time you are not good. So that time you will think this is not good for me. I don't like this.
yes, right.
Yes. So yeah, in
Yeah,
front of health, yes, in front of health, everything is good because if you have good health, then everything is good because because of good health, you can bring happiness in your family. Because
yes,
my teacher, yeah, once time my teacher was teaching about health is wealth. The topic was that health is wealth. So that time I was present in my class. So my teacher told me good health brings happiness in society. Good health brings a smiley face in
yes,
society because
yes,
if you have good health, yeah, and whenever you are going to society, whenever you are entering
yes,
in any house, in any family, so that time after watching your face, all people will become
yes,
happy. They will feel nice.
right, right. Because if
Yeah.
we are not happy, and we
Yes.
are how many wealthy person and how much we have anything else, but if you are not happy, then nobody set any example for you. Just
Yes.
like uh, to become like you. No, never set any example because you are not real success. Reality success of not that like. So
Yes.
this is also, and one thing which I want to include for students. Yeah, so this is
You can do it
uh,
because you are a teacher, and I think you will have experience, so you can explain, you can speak.
so the real success. they overcome their fear. This is also important for them. Means if we are not, they not come out from their fear, then they don't get any success. So for God, first of all, you overcome your fear, your other obstacles which comes in your success. So if you then overcome that all, then you got success. Yeah.
Okay, good. So, Sikha, how long have you been teaching? Because you are a teacher and you are a government teacher. So, in teaching field, in primary school, how long have you been teaching? It means since when have you been teaching in your school? Can you tell me something?
How long? Yeah, I have been teaching 2.5 years.
2.5 years.
I
Okay.
know. Yeah.
Okay. Then
So
I think you will have good experience about teaching.
no, not said good because after joining my and after few months, the COVID situation arises, and after that,
Yeah.
then COVID. So I have a little experience about that all.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I have one question to you,
Okay.
related to real meaning of success. What is real
Okay.
meaning of success? Yeah. So my point is that have you got your real success or like fake success? Can you tell me something like what did you wanted to be in your life? So did you get that success or have you got another success?
Oh, right now I'm looking for another success. This is not real success for me.
Okay,
So
okay.
that is, yeah, that is for only for a security of life and only for parents' happiness, and so that is why this is my success. But the real success is not that. I want to looking another whatever give me happiness a lot, and
Okay,
where
okay.
I involved so much and I enjoyed also my job. Then I think I'm really happy and really success because
Yes.
yeah, this job is also fantastic, very fantastic. Everybody have, but yeah, I'm still looking for another.
Yes, this is good. Okay.
Yeah, that not related to only job, means I'm not looking only for job. I just want to create like that work better. That time we are going just like YouTube, just create a YouTube and talk to a different person and communication. That is I like that type of
Yeah, that is also good because
oh success.
you can do many types of work in your life and that will also help you a lot because we can learn many things in our life.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, we always,
exactly.
once time my teacher taught me, always try to become a learner because
Yeah, always.
if you think, yes, always try to become learner because in your life you can learn many things about many things, not only about teaching. Because in my life, I want to become English teacher, so this is good for me because this is my job and this is my passion and this is my goal. But other things that I can do anything as well as doing my job because we can
Yes,
also
yes.
try to learn many things like about YouTube channel, about communication
Yeah,
skills,
this
about
is
business, yeah,
also
many about society, also about marketing class, like online class, many things we can learn. So
yeah,
this is
yeah. Just like
good.
me, I also loved doing all of these things.
Yeah.
So,
And my many friends, they are working online. So they also suggested me many times, Anil, you can also start online working. Like there are many applications, there are many things. So you can start work online work. That is also good for you. Yeah. So I have also thought I will start because now I have no any good laptop, and laptop is necessary for doing work online because that will be easy and that will be good.
yeah.
So so I'm waiting for my time, and when I will get good laptop, when I will get good mobile phone, so when I will start my many types of work. But still, I am
Yes.
using old mobile phone and simple phone.
No, it's okay. You are doing great job. That's good. So,
Thank
yeah, I hope now we bind up our topic.
Yes, because now we can stop our conversation because this is really good and enjoyable conversation, and I'm happy to talk with you. And this is going to be 20 minutes, so this is good duration of our conversation. Yeah.
Yes.
So Sikha, see you next time, and I'm happy to talk with you. And this is really
Yeah.
nice conversation. Can't explain in
Yes.
my words.
Yes, I also feel very, very good after talking.
Okay, so goodbye.
Bye.